Hello Senpai and welcome back to my channel. I'm real excited for today because this is my very first product review and the product is Signal Booster. If your house is located somewhere far from any cell site, just like here in province, then pretty much you're having some serious problem with the internet connection. And one way or another to enhance your internet connection is to have a signal booster. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set it up, how effective is the signal booster is, and what are the pros and cons about it. By the way, my name is Jun from Calvarioz Game, where we discuss all about games, tips and tricks, and all good stuff. And if you're actually new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever we have something to post. And if you already did subscribe, then let's get jump to it. I ordered it last September 9. So let's see what's inside. First, we have external antenna, U-bolt and some screw, coaxial cable, internal antenna, and signal booster unit. Come and see how we set it up. First, we cut some bamboo to use as a pole or act as a tower to hold our external antenna. Some seller mentioned that the external antenna and the internal antenna should be separated like at least 5 or 10 meters apart, because signal loop may occur or it will result to zero signal, or should I say no signal. So first, we need to set up the external antenna first, making sure it's tightened up. And it's all good. So next, the signal booster unit. The coaxial cable coming from internal antenna should be connected in BTS, while coaxial cable coming from the indoor antenna should be connected in mobile. Now it's time to look for a spot to install our indoor antenna. In our case, we want it in the middle. Then let's see. So this is how we check if the signal booster works. From between negative 91 and negative 109 dBm to between negative 51 and negative 91. For you to understand how dBm works, the lower the dBm is, the stronger the signal. So going back, it really boosts our signal, but sometimes it fluctuates. It really depends on the location or where is the outside door antenna pointed at. You can point your external to a different spot because that's how I got our signal strength. We point our antenna to northwest side. So here's the pros. It can really boost the signal. 2. You can do a self-install because it's easy to install. Now the cons will be sometimes the signal fluctuate, and I think it's around 70 to 90% reliable. That's how I rate it. And I think it's expensive. I will do more observation of course and make a little adjustment. And if you want to know where did I bought the signal booster, then I will leave it in the descriptions below. Well then, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have some question, let me know as well. And I may not be an expert, but I will get the right answer from the right person for you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.